You have a Hyundai Santa Fe, about 2001 to about 2006, and your climate control cluster lights are out. I'm going to show you how to replace those bulbs. You know, at 4 o'clock in the morning when you want your air on or your heat on and you can't see your knobs, kind of sucks. You got to light it up with your phone or something else. Now there's 3 bulbs inside here. I'm going to give you all the part numbers so you can order them. You can't just go to your local auto parts store and get them. They have to be ordered through Hyundai. So follow along, I'll show you how to replace them and get those lights working again. So here's how you're going to remove this climate control panel. You're going to pull out your ashtray, push down right here, completely remove it, and then you have 2 screws right here that you need to remove. Once you have these 2 screws removed, you can take a trim tool like this or a large flat blade screwdriver, and you're going to work your way around these edges all the way around this side, top, and this side. And if you pull a little bit and work around these edges at the same time, that's what works the best in getting this to pop out. It should come straight back. Just like that. And once you have that pulled out, I'm going to point with my screwdriver. You see this white housing right here? There's a bunch of wires that go into the bottom of it. You need to push in on this front side and pull this wire apart, and that will allow you to bring this farther out if you need to. You can get to your 2 bulbs right here and here, but I'm going to take this all the way apart just so it'll show you a little better. But if you want to take this front piece off, usually just take your screwdriver, shove it back into this cavity, and then you can take it out like that. Or if you have a little short stubby screwdriver, you can do it that way as well. So I've got the climate control unit as far taken apart as I need to. And right here are the 2 bulbs that you want to replace. Now, here is the part number. Now this bulb is different from the center bulb. And that's what it looks like. And you're just going to need like a real fine flathead screwdriver to get these in and out. Something like that one right there. One like this is too thick. So I already got the new bulb installed on the one side. And you just take the bulb right here. It's going to drop down in. And now it's locked in place. And that's how you replace the bulbs in your climate control unit. We need to replace the light bulb that's in this center fan control. Since you already have this all out, I've got mine out, but I'm going to show you how to do it. So once you pull this out, you're going to have this piece right here. You've got a screw right here. Undo that screw, and then this turns and pulls straight out. The knob on the front, this clear part stays in, but this fan control knob right here, that just pulls straight off. So now on the back of here you have this wire right here. You just turn this 90 degrees, pull it out, and that's the bulb that lights up your center fan control switch. And it just pulls straight out, pushes straight back in. Here is the part number. So if you want to go to your Hyundai dealer, or if you want to order it online, it runs about $6, but it is a different bulb than the other 2 bulbs that control your temperature and your variation to where you want the air to blow. So there's that part number. That's what it looks like. Like I said, you just pull it straight out, push it in. I recommend you use latex gloves so you don't get oil from your fingers onto that bulb. And then it's just a matter of pushing it back in, and you give it a little twist, and it's right there in place. Goes back in to the back side of your climate control. Turn it, put the screw, and here's the screw hole. Put the screw back in, and now you've got a lighted fan switch again. Just to show you what it looks like here on the front before I put the knob back in, I'm just going to turn my headlights on. And that way you know that it's working before you put that soft touch rotary knob back on. And to get this trim piece back in, all you do is lightly kind of push in on the bottom first, down here, and then kind of push down and in. Just like that. And go ahead and replace the 2 screws behind the ashtray. And go ahead and insert your ashtray, slide that back in, and the job is complete.